Hello YouTube, G4 here. It's been another slow week on a TTM front, so I figured I'd do a couple box breaks videos for you. Uh, Not as big much as I have been, but I got one mini helmet from 2013 I'm going to do. Then I got one box of SPX 2012. Let's see. 2012 totally certified, and one box of 2012 playbook. But before I get into them, I'm gonna do a recap of some other cards that I've gotten in and my brother's gotten in, which is a lot. So this may be a long video. So just get you a snack, get you a cold drink or something, and sit back and watch the goodies. Just watching them come up. A lot of these are non-sport. I'm starting to get more into non-sport things lately. I'm just gonna start. I mean, they're all over my desk, so just gonna take them or as they come. The first two are Americanas. First is Military Elite Relic, Herbert Carter. He is one of the Tuskegee Airmen. It's numbered out 299. The second is another astronaut that my brother likes, but it's got a huge scratch all the way down to all this. I don't know if it gets where you can see it or not, but there's a whole huge scratch going all from there all the way down. But I mean, he'll do till he can get a replacement. See, next is see, all these I've got from the David Adams. So this is my freebie box. There's a box of alphas. Got I mean, I've seen I think half of the first season of alphas. Cameron Hicks relic. Let's see, played by Warren Christie. Then a Gary Bale relic. Oh, come on. Camera's not wanting to focus, but played by Ryan Cartwright. And the autograph is of Laura Minnell, oh, who played Nina Thoreau. That's. Let's see. Next is Vampire Academy, which is kind of a letdown. I mean, it's a good one, but still, you got the same autograph, but it's two different cards of actress Claire Foy. I wish Beckett would make a non-sport price guide, because the ones they get in the one where it's got lists everything, they only list things back to last year. All these stuff I'd like to at least the value up, and I don't like when people say just go to eBay, because I'd rather look stuff up in a price guide. Let's see, next two are American Pies. There's a relic Vincent Pastore. Come on, cameras. Let me see if I can do anything. Next one, both of them are from The Sopranos. This is Joe Ganascoli. He had one. Oh, what did I do with it? Oh, did get another redemption for Enrique Iglesias. And the one buyback he got was a Moonraker. It's not like the top 75th where you got the gold stamp on it. Those are just regular ones. See, there's too many of them, so I don't get the ones that just got few of. Well, I could do Charmed, which only had the one relic in it, but it's Alyssa Milano, which is from the season 5 episode of Oh My Goddess. So that's a neat little piece. Then that was the box topper. Yeah. Well, I might as well do the top 75th. Even though all the hits I'd already gotten. Burt Young, Ed Gale for about the 6th, 7th time. A second foil, Richard Keel. Now, these three are all new ones. Bill Mummy, Mark Goddard, and a regular Richard Keel. So, yeah, here we go. Got one Diamond Sparkle of Frankenstein, numbered out of 75. See, and the 2 buyback cards, Lord of the Rings, and probably the best I can get is a Michael Jackson. So that's them. I guess we'll do the 2 Buffy. The Men of Sunnydale. Got a relic. Nicholas Brendan, who played Xander. It's in the season 5 episode Forever. And then the autographs, Camden Toy, who was one of the gentlemen. Now, when that episode first aired, that was the creepiest villain I'd ever seen on TV. The way they just sort of glided across the screen, just smiled. That was just so creepy. Okay. Oh, actually, I forgot one of the Americanas was the duplicate Vance brand, numbers 399. No, I forgot one somewhere. Okay, next. I guess Americana, since it's not many. But I did get one card in it that I had never gotten before. We'll do the single relic first. Humphrey Bogart from the movie African Queen, number 250. A triple relic, Elizabeth Taylor, Montgomery Clift, and Shelley Winters from A Place in the Sun, numbered out of 150. First autograph, private signings, Patty Duke, numbered out 49. And probably my favorite, my first buyback autograph. It's I believe Mickey Dolenz on the original Monkeys card. It's numbered on the back 11 of 33. So that's a real nice piece. Okay. Go to the heroes, because I've bought a bunch more of them. Now these are from the tops line. I think these are just from season 1. It's only got 2 relics. Greg Grunberg, Matt Parkman. Don't say what episode, but it does show the outfit that it came from. But this, I like this one. This can't remember the guy's name, but the character was Isaac Mendez. It's got a shirt with that paint splatter on it, which I think is pretty neat. That's that. The rest of these are from the Heroes Archives. I kind of beat the odds a little bit because I got an extra relic. The first one, I can't remember her name, but her character name was Lydia. There's one of Noah Bennett from the episode Fifth Stage. See that other one. What was it from? It was from the episode Thanksgiving, off a skirt. And then there's Hero, episode Close to You. I got a bunch of autographs, which reason I got them, we get 6 autographs in a box. But Jamie Hector, Matthew John Armstrong. This I kind of sad because I bought 2 of these a couple weeks ago, thinking it was case toppers. Found out it wasn't. Don Olivieri. So what? So it must have just been like a repurchase thing. Then Jack Coleman, who was Noah Bennett. I've seen her in a few other shows. Tamlin Tomita. A lot of these I didn't have. I'm trying to put this set together. Alan Blumenfeld. I wonder if some of these people actually practice how they're going to sign their names. Because some of the, you can actually, before make it out. Now, this one, I've never seen hers on eBay before. Kavi Ladner. I've never seen any of hers sell on eBay. Gabriel Olds. Jimmy John Louis. And this one I did have, just bought it a week ago. Catherine Bacher. Deanne Bray. I know the other show she was on where she played that deaf FBI agent. And the last one is Swoozie Kurtz. So that's everything from the Heroes. I guess we'll go to probably Star Wars. And we've got a bunch of these little pie things. But it's got a code where you can redeem online or on Facebook for unlocked stuff. Hadn't yet. You got see, 1, 2, 3. Should have separated them a little bit better. 6 film cell cards. May try to put a set of them together too. So you got there's that. Well, this one you got 2 of. I mean, same front, and really the cell's almost identical too. It's like a second or 2 apart on the cells. And you got 1 dual film cell. And then you got 1 autograph. Kenneth Colley, Captain Pite. 2, got 2 of the Ewok fur relics, but same Ewok but different color fur. One's sort of black, white, and gray. The other one's sort of brown. It's got a little bit of looks orange, a little bit of gray and white mixed in. But still, they're They sell fairly decent on eBay, so I go. I still want to get one of those. Well, my brother wants to get one of those Chewbacca relics. And what would a card video be without a printing plate? And Carrie Fisher. Let's see. Starflight's got the most, so I'm gonna go over to Big Bang Theory. Separate the relics and the signatures. And again, got one really good one, autograph wise. Well, really, all of these are good. I think the cheapest one's like $25. But relics of Rajesh. All these are from the season 5 set. Thought it was gonna be a long video. It's already 16 minutes in. There's one of Kaylee Cuoco. This is the highest relic. I think it's like 60. Leonard. No relic autographs in these, which I was kind of hoping to get another one, but I'd say those probably wouldn't come on one a case. But there's one of Bernadette. A different Bernadette. One of Sheldon. And the last relic is of Howard. So I pretty much got everybody. And autograph wise, Joshua Molina, which I already had. Got 2 of Alice Atmer, who was Rajesh's mother. Let's see. Lance Barber. Wait a minute, that's the character. Yeah, no. It was Jimmy Speckerman. He was the Leonard's school bully. And then, best of the bunch, Johnny Galecki, Leonard Hofstadter. Had a Beckett value of 300. So again, Big Bang was big, had big bucks in it. And finally is Star Trek. I mean, he got a bunch of decent inserts. I mean, these were different boxes. Some from Enterprise. I think it's season 3 Enterprise. That's, I think, from the movies. So acetate movie poster. Let's see what else. I'm trying to show off a few of these. Not sure exactly what these are, but they're numbered. I think it might be like a parallel set or something. It's got a silver. I think it's numbered to 200. Silver border. I guess it is because they all say silver on them. Actually got 1 gold. This numbered to 100. Let's see. So, not sure what that might be like a glossy, I guess. Because this numbered to 200. Got another one of those Starfleet Finest 2-box, which are like $20. Got one little pop out stand up from a movie with John Cho, who was Sulu. There's another finest Chakotay. Now this one I cannot find anything about. It's a mirror insert. The one, that part is got a cutout where the little foil thing is. It's not listed in the books. Haven't been able to find anything out about it. So that's kind of interesting. Like, what do you mean anything listed on the pack or the box or anything about it? 20 minutes long. We'll try to speed this up so I can get to the box breaks. Autograph, David L. Ross. Dual autograph, Sherry Jackson and Harry Boss. Now this is a pretty neat card too. So, Dr. McCoy's Shadow Box. And basically, saying these sell for like between $50 and $60 a piece for the regular ones. I don't know what a McCoy would go to. Next autograph, Donnie Most. I just had finished watching that episode last night that he was in on Voyager. Workforce, the 2-part episode. Anthony DeLonghi. So he was a heroic. Oh, the first Mage Cullen. So one of the earlier main villains. Oh, now there's another creepy character, I think. Michael McKean, who was the clown in Thal. Now, this first time, Scotty Thompson was the first time I ever known a woman to be named Scotty. Along the back it says, signed by Scotty Thompson as Nero's wife. So that's kind of interesting. First relic, Zachary Quinto, Spock, number to 300. Autograph, William Morgan Shepherd as Vulcan Science Minister. Now this is the one he's already got. J.G. Hertzler, that's Hirogen Fighter, and Sukatsi. Another badge relic. This was Harry Kim, played by Garrett Wayne. This number down 225. This is another duplicate he's got, Kevin Teague. And Susie Plaxton, which is also a duplicate now. Another one of those acetate movie poster cards. Michael Horton from First Contact. Marcy Lafferty in the original Star Trek. The Star Trek movie. Paul Kent from Wrath of Khan. See, the last three are from. Well, these three are Enterprise. Nikita Ager as Rajin. Nathan Anderson. Sergeant Kemper. And last autograph, Stephen Culp as Major Hayes. And then the final card of all this mess. A patch from Scott. Crew patch as seen on Commander Scott's uniform. Numbered out 250. He really liked that one. But that's well, I think that's everything. Oh, I was wrong. Smallville. I was forgetting something. Let me just try to get these separated real quick. I'll tell you what. I'll go ahead and end this one since it's 25 minutes. And I'll do these, then I'll do my first box break, which will be the SPX. So stay tuned for that.